Hi, happy Saturday, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm here home on a Saturday night. I'm always in the house. Always in the house. I kind of think that maybe to some people it would be abnormal how much I stay in the house. I go out when I have to for food, for work, which I'm gonna have to for work, for appointments, necessities. Anyways, it's Saturday. I'm going to experiment. I want pizza. I ordered one the other day. It was cool. And so I said, let me try to make a pizza with whatever I have in the house. So sometimes I like to try to experiment and make things based off whatever I have in the house. I feel like that keeps me humble in terms of just wasting money with food, and it just helps me to get rid of food in the house so that it doesn't go bad, especially if it's like vegetables and stuff like that. Now, I had some garlic naan bread, some little mini ones. I had them too long, so when I went to look to see if I was gonna cook with them, it looks like they had a little mold on it, and they were in the refrigerator the whole time from when I purchased them. So that lets y'all know what I'm talking about when I mean by just trying to get rid of stuff in the house. So I said, what else can I make pizza with? What do I have? I raided the fridge. I have mozzarella. I have this, I think it's feta cheese. I have garlic. I have tomatoes. I have onions, peppers. You know, I have some tomatoes in a can, which I don't think I'm gonna use, and I have some biscuits. Biscuits, y'all. I'm going to try to make a pizza with these things. So I'm gonna put it right in this little pizza thing for right now, and then I'm gonna make some chocolate chip muffins and some coconut muffins. So I'm gonna use a box mix, which I'm going to, you know, add a couple of things to. I'm gonna make some muffins. So I hope you guys have been having a good week. I've had a rough past week. Like, it's been rough. Girl's been going through some things. Not necessarily myself, but people that are close to me, really close to me. So I've been like the recipient of it because they're so close to me. So y'all put some prayers up for me and my family because yeah, past week has been really hard on me. You girls have been doing a lot of crying, but besides that, I just pray. I got my Bible here with me. I've been keeping it open. My mom told me to read Isaiah 41, 10 through 13. So, yeah. I'll read it to you guys. I don't know I hope I don't offend anybody, but I'm just going to read it. And I say I hope I don't offend because, I don't know if people are religious or not, and I don't want to, offend any of my subscribers. But again, I'm just still always authentically me. And I'm a very spiritual person. I don't go to church, but I consider myself to be a very spiritual person. So before we get into this video, why not I share with you all the verse my mom wanted me to read. So this is Isaiah 41, verse 10 through 13. Fear thou not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, yea, I will help thee, yea, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness. Behold, all they that were incensed against thee shall be ashamed and confounded. They shall be as nothing, and they that strive with thee shall perish. Thou shalt seek them, and shalt not find them, even them that contended with thee. They that war against thee shall be as nothing, and as a thing of naught. For I, the Lord thy God, will hold thy right hand, saying unto thee, Fear not, I will help thee. Fear not, thou worm Jacob, and ye men of Israel, I will help thee, saith the Lord, and thy Redeemer, the Holy One of Israel. Amen. So, got my Bible here. I've been keeping it open. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into the pizza. I think I'm going to start by, even though I know I just read the Bible, y'all, because I'm spiritual, but there's lots of facets to me. Your girl's about to pour herself a drink. I guess I'm going to do wine. Wine kind of makes me go to sleep. Yesterday I was drinking Baileys. I've had the Baileys since before I moved here in my own apartment. I just opened the bottle the other night. It's been refrigerated at my old house. Took it out the refrigerator when I moved over here. I mean, from when I left from there and brought it in the new fridge here. I said, girl, open the Baileys. First sip, I was like tipsy as hell. So I don't think I'm going to do Baileys today. I guess I'll have a little bit of this. Wine makes me go to sleep, so I'm going to be real easy because I don't want to go to sleep. Okay. And like I said, I hope you guys are doing well. I started thinking about the astrology video because I know I told y'all my next video would be about, I was going to start a series talking about astrology. And I was going to start with Aries or Aquarius. So I wrote down some traits about Aquarius, which is my sign. And I don't know if I'll start talking about that or not. I might not want to do that much talking with this video. I'm still feeling a bit down. But I said, hey, I'm about to make myself some type of little pizza thingy. Let me throw in the record button and share with you all. So here's the piece. Here's the piece. I got this phone sitting on top of some key lines. So I don't know if it's picking that up, but anyways. Here's the peace and love. Ooh, that's strong. Let me wash my hands real quick again. Quick little hand wash. Alright, so I preheated the oven like maybe 45 minutes ago. It's on 350. Let's start with maybe seeing if the biscuits are cool. For shit. I don't know how long this has been in my fridge. But I'm going to use these dishes. I hate opening these cans. Shut up. I'm never good with opening biscuit cans. Never. Ever. This is when you need a man in the house to do shit like this for you. And probably will struggle. His ass probably will struggle too. Only reason why I'm gonna do this first is to make sure my business is good before I start cutting up shit. They look good to me. They butter biscuits, so. Alright. Alright, the biscuits is full. So we're gonna have the biscuits here. I don't know how many I'm gonna make, maybe about 5. Y'all probably like, where's she at? I'm just looking for something to smash down on these biscuits with a little bit. I decided to use some type of measuring cup. I could use a rolling pin. What was I thinking? Like that. Use the rolling pin, girl. I'm just flattening them. You guys see? Sorry. So yeah, I wrote down some traits. Just started thinking things off top of the head about myself. I tried to be fair. I'm a fair person. So I just wrote good and bad things because none of us are perfect. Can't sit here and say everything you can write about myself. Not even to do with it being me being an Aquarius, but just as a person, none of us are perfect. So, but I did try to go by things that I know people normally affiliate with the signs, and I understand if you guys, whoever's watching, don't believe in the astrology. That's fine too. I don't get mad. Everybody doesn't have the same beliefs, you know? But we'll see if I start talking about it. I'm just flattening these real quick. Okay. I think that's enough. I don't need to go too crazy because if I don't like it, then I don't like it. So I'm just going to put this over there on the counter while I get ready to cut up some things. Start with the tomatoes. Some really great tomatoes. For should be enough. My TV's on in the kitchen. Somebody's playing. I don't know if it's college football. Baylor and Iowa State. Yeah, it's probably got to be college football. Baylor's 14. Iowa State is 3. I think that should be enough to me because I only got like 4 or 5 things. I'm gonna do a little garlic too. Why not? Just one clove. I'm not gonna open up the can of sauce. These little piece of biscuits will be very flavorful. Well, that's a big old garlic clove. But we need that flavor because if we're not gonna do sauce, and I love pizza sauce. But we got the tomatoes, so I'm gonna chop up the garlic real quick. Did my nails, but I didn't decorate them. I'm gonna make this pizza and watch some type of movie. I don't know what kind of movies I should watch. Any recommendations? That's a lot of garlic for one clove. These little piece of things about to be lit. You don't need a lot of ingredients, actually. I wish I had some fresh basil, but I don't. Do I want to have some peppers? I don't have pepperoni. I can do a little bit of sausage, maybe. I have spinach. The spinach. Okay, sausage, you don't want to come out? Like, trying to use a little bit again. I'm going to slice it really thin because I'm anal. See, I would pre-cook these sausages and then put it on the pizza, the biscuits, and put it in the oven, but I'm going to slice it as thin as possible because I don't want it to be raw. I'm not going to do all of it with the sausage, just a few pieces, maybe on 2. See if I like it. I wish I had some basil, but I don't. So I got some sausage, some garlic, some tomatoes, and some cheese. I don't think I want any peppers and onions today. Let's get to making it. Real quick today. I know biscuits cook fast, so here we go. We're just gonna throw on these are butter flavored biscuits. I know. I'm trying to see what kind of herb I can throw on top. I wish I had basil. I don't even have dry basil. I have like every other thing but some basil. I even have fresh rosemary, thyme, parsley, but no basil. That one's acting a little crazy. I don't know why, but you're still going down, bro. Alright, so let's start with, these tomatoes are pretty big on here. Maybe I should like crush it. Let's crush the tomatoes a little bit more. That makes sense, right? It'll be like a fresh sauce. With this tomatoes. Yeah. Let's do tomato. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys see what's going on here? So we're gonna do a tomato. Good amount of tomato because we don't have any. Yeah, I got the tomato juice that released, so that's good. That's good. Just enough. Okay. Maybe I have to cut like one more. Okay, so that's good. Use these tomatoes down. This is what I call making use of what you got. Ooh, that garlic's gonna be heavy. Pizza. Garlic. Could use garlic powder, but I got fresh garlic, baby. I love fresh garlic. Make sure it's spread out good enough. Yeah. Okay. And we have our, we gotta do our cheese. You want with my hand? I don't really like feta cheese, but like I said, okay. I want in the sink. But I don't know where I got it because I think I had it for like salad. So I guess this is good because I don't really have I don't see me using it for nothing else really. It's okay. I can take a little bit of it. I love mozzarella, however. We're gonna do I mean, I'm trying to get out of my element of eating the same thing, so not a big cheese person, but I'm gonna be okay with it today. Not too much of this, because this is strong. This cheese is strong. I'm really being out of my element because that's a little bit too much because I know I'm not a big feta cheese person. So, like I said, I'm trying something new here. I do love mozzarella. So we got, let's do a little seasoning. I don't know if I have Italian seasoning, probably not. So I'm going to do some Mrs. Dash. Never fail with Mrs. Dash to me. I have all kinds of seasonings, like all kinds. But I'm going to try to keep it easy today. And I guess I'll do a little bit of, I don't have any Italian seasoning. I'll just do a little boil before that. Just a little. Ooh, that might be a little, that might be a little much. Okay. That's it. Well, you know what I'll do? A little roasted garlic powder. Just a sprinkle. These are looking good and smelling great. They're so little, I gotta be easy. That's it. Let's do some parsley if I can find some. I have fresh parsley, but let's add a little oregano. I don't go crazy with that oregano, so I'm gonna just like sprinkle it. Yeah, because I don't have no Italian seasoning. Come on now. Come on, oregano. Alright. Alright, we got a little oregano here. Yeah. These are gonna be bomb. Food always makes me happy. So yeah. We got our oregano. Parsley. Where are you, parsley? I don't know where the parsley is, and I'm tired of twirling it around looking for this shit. So, I don't know. I don't feel like, I done forgot I got a seafood dressing. I don't know where the, What was y'all seeing when I was drinking over? I do got on panties. That's how I know my brain is gone. Let me turn on. Let me show y'all what I look like before I add on the Looks great, right? I was looking for the parsley. We're gonna add on some mozzarella now. These are gonna be delicioso. I already see it. Look, and I ain't gonna have to spend $30 on Uber Eats for to get some pizza. Not tonight. I brought some seafood last night. That shit cost me 30 something. What was it? $35 for a mini bag. I didn't even finish it. Ooh. These are gonna be good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Check me out. I don't think I'm gonna use all. Okay, let's get the cheese. I gotta hurry up because I know the biscuit's like, girl, I'm getting soft. Okay. I'm coming. Okay, I don't want to have no problem taking y'all off. I know this biscuit is gonna cook so fast. So I'm just gonna do a couple of pieces of sausage. Then, I'm gonna load them up. I'm gonna load 2 of them up with the sausage. So just in case I don't like it, I don't have them all like that. I think this is good. This is good. I think that's good. I think that's good. I think that's good. A little bit more cheese. Okay. Y'all see what we got? Y'all see what we got? Voila. It's missing a little bit of green, I know. But it's okay. Y'all can see them? Mm-hmm. Let's throw it in the oven. Oven's on 350. I don't know. I'm not gonna time it. I'm just gonna look at it. We should go for at least what? At least 10 minutes. I should have had it on 325 because I don't want it to cook so fast. Let me see where my yeah, see my rack is kind of low, my second one. I'm gonna bring it a little higher. Y'all wanna see what I'm doing? Ooh, hold on. I didn't predict to bring y'all over here seeing all this. I don't mind. See, my rack was real low, so I'm just gonna bring it a little higher. We're gonna put the rack right in the middle. It's hot, though. Just so that I can give it more cooking time. Y'all seeing? And they're going. Middle rack. Those gonna be bomb. What time is it? I'll put a timer on. I'll put the timer on for like, how long should I put on, y'all? For like 15 minutes? 15 minutes. All right. I didn't add any peppers and onions this time. I mean, let's just try it basic. So this way I'll see what it tastes like. I know it's going to be good because you kind of know what the ingredients taste like. So how can it be bad? Doubt it. It's like a mini pizza. So let me put these things away. And I'm not lying. I did write down really quick on a piece of paper some traits about myself. That's what I did. I kind of thought about just me in general. I mean, my sign is my sign. And so I just thought about good and bad things about myself. And I said, hey, typically the same things I hear when people talk about Aquarians online. Let me try not to flash y'all because I really um, don't know how much y'all seen. And again, I do have my panties, but I know this is a see-through dress. This little see-through lace thing I have so many little pieces of clothes. I've had this shit for I don't know how long. I mean, I threw it in the washer. And I have to remember where the hell I got it from. I was like, oh yeah, Goodwill. I paid like $1. I'm not lying. I washed it and kept the tag on. Took it off the dryer. $1. The tag is still on it. Crazy. A strong ass tag. Well, I had it in the washer with light stuff, so. But I don't know. Maybe I'll go in here and talk to y'all about my list when I come back. Probably gonna end this video. I'm not really much in the mood to talk, honestly. I really just wanted to do my little pizza thing and show y'all. I'm just gonna clean up. I'm just gonna clean up and I'm not gonna use these tomatoes. I'll come back when the pizza thingy is done. Taste it on along with y'all. I don't feel like doing too much coffee tonight. Okay? Thanks y'all for watching me. I'll be back and show y'all what it comes out like, okay? Alright.